Hello, welcome to Computer Science at Eastern. I am Dr. Sarah Tasneem. I teach computer science. I am also the chairperson of the department. In any usual year, you'd spend few hours with us on campus on a colorful fall day. However, due to this unusual pandemic situation, we have arranged this virtual open house for you. In this video, you'll also hear from Dr. Garrett Danzig, Dr. Nashid Anjum, and a couple of students. You will be spending your time, energy, and money for 4 years here at Eastern. You may have a question. After graduating with a CS degree, what type of job to expect? Let me show you some data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics. This table shows 2022 projected growth of different jobs a computer science graduate can have. You can be hired as network architect, programmer, system analyst, database administrator, information security analyst, web developers, software developer, etc. Look at the salary range. Quite impressive, right? Here is the list of courses you'll have to take as a computer science major. You'll start your major with CSC 180, Fundamentals of Computing, where you learn digital logic, computer organization, introduction to Python. Then you'll take Programming 1 followed by Programming 2. You'll learn Java programming there. Let us not get overwhelmed. You are not going to take all these courses in 1 or 2 semesters. You'll have 4 years here at Eastern to enjoy and learn. You make progress in your major by taking courses one after another in areas such as data structures, networking, database, software engineering, etc. In addition to computer science courses, you'll be taking some general education courses, which at Eastern we call liberal arts curriculum. You have options to take courses from diverse areas, including economics, biology, math, BIS, music, sports, etc. In addition to majoring in computer science, you can minor in another related cutting edge area. For example, we offer minor programs in computer engineering, game design and development, management information systems, bioinformatics, cybersecurity, etc. Next, I'll invite Dr. Danzig to talk about bioinformatics minor.
Hello, my name is Dr. Garrett Danzig, and I am an Associate Professor of Computer Science and the coordinator of the Bioinformatics minor at Eastern. I suspect that many of you have not heard of bioinformatics. Well, bioinformatics is an interdisciplinary science that involves the development and use of computational, statistical, and mathematical tools to store and analyze large biological data sets, such as genomic sequences. Essentially, bioinformatics involves using computer science, managing databases, and writing code to better understand biology, such as understanding the functions of genes and proteins, and better understanding diseases such as cancer. Students who have completed the bioinformatics minor have gone on to work at the Jackson Laboratory for Genomic Medicine, as well as attend graduate school in bioinformatics, for example at Northeastern University in Boston. This slide contains screenshots of articles highlighting the importance of bioinformatics in medicine. The paper, A Gene Expression Signature as a Predictor of Survival in Breast Cancer, identified a set of 70 genes that can predict survival in patients with breast cancer. This finding was the basis for a genetic test that is now used to help treat breast cancer patients. Another example involves a critically ill 14-year-old who was hospitalized for 6 weeks and had to be put into a medically induced coma because the doctors did not know what was wrong with him. Fortunately, genomic sequencing in bioinformatics was used to diagnose the infection, and the boy was successfully treated. These are some exciting examples of the bioinformatics applications that are covered in the minor, as well as in bioinformatics courses that are computer science electives and open to all computer science students. And now I will turn it over to Dr. Anjum.
Hi, I am Dr. Anjum. I will be talking about minor in cybersecurity. This program aims to ensure solid theoretical and practical foundation in cybersecurity, digital forensics, Internet of Things, and networking. These courses are designed to achieve success in both postgraduate education and industrial career. In this program, you'll be able to build your own IoT projects based on embedded system, microcontrollers, actuators, and sensors. You'll be also able to do your research on UAV network. You can build your own network. You can also publish your work on conference and journal papers. You can attend the conference and present your works too. Do you know, currently the cybersecurity job growth rate is 31%? That is way more faster than the average growth rate, 4%. I have another good news to share with you. Eastern is the top-ranked public university for 2 years in a row in New England. Not only that, Eastern has the highest graduation rate among Connecticut state universities. Now I am handing over to Dr. Tasneem.
Computer science is an ever-changing field. We keep our program up to date by developing newer courses to keep pace with the emerging landscape of computer science. Along with the set of required courses, you will be taking some elective courses. We offer elective courses in bioinformatics, mobile computing, big data, cybersecurity, AI, data mining, etc. Recently, we have established a new data science program in collaboration with mathematics and BIS. At Eastern, we offer a well-structured program. Eastern in 4 is a study plan which will guide a student in selecting courses in well-defined sequence. For example, which courses to take after which ones. We will have one academic and one professional advisor to set up your plans. You will get all different kinds of guidance and help so you could graduate in 4 years. Please feel free to contact me for any question you may have. Our class size is 20, which is small and helps build a close relationship with student and faculty members. For example, I would know the names of all the students in my class. We have dedicated classrooms and lab facilities to carry on projects and assignments. We have in-house student tutors. Their offices are next to the classrooms. We have several student clubs. Club activities will allow students attending hackathons, going for field trips, meeting with alumni, and making connections with them. These facilities, along with activities, give students a belonging feeling. At Eastern, you will not feel lost. Independent study is an option where a student can work one-on-one with a faculty member or on a research project. This gives students opportunity to publish research papers and travel to present research work to conferences. Above all, our CSE program is within a liberal arts setting, which makes the program unique. In addition to learning hardcore programming and developing technical skills, students are taught life skills. They are taught to develop communication skills, to work in teams, to think critically in solving problems, to give ethics a high priority. Eventually, you'll be prepared for a successful career here at Eastern. Our students do internships in companies like Travelers, Cigna, Electric Board, DXC, etc. We have on-campus Cigna internship hub for students. Interns can take their classes and simultaneously work from campus instead of traveling to Bloomfield. Unemployment around the world is skyrocketing in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. Things went online. The sudden shift to remote and distance work due to COVID-19 created a dire need for technical support by computer science as well as cybersecurity professionals. Storm does not last forever. We need to start thinking about future. In fact, LinkedIn has recent post on job posting in cybersecurity, IT services, and computer software. World Economic Forum identify AI specialists as the #1 emerging job in the future. Robots could leverage UV light devices to help disinfect high-touch surfaces in hospitals, reducing the need for disinfection by hospital workers and thereby reducing the risk to those workers. Regarding COVID-19 pandemic, machine and deep learning classification algorithms would be useful to distinguish the affected cases from unaffected ones. Cryptography will be an important area as this will help in securing authentic data in different websites. Computer scientists can develop apps to help with contact tracing, testing, and warning in advance. These can be achieved using AI algorithms. CDC is in need of computer scientists to formulate and apply the foundations and concepts of computer science to deal with complex public health informatics data or management needs. Here you can find the names and email addresses of computer science professors at Eastern. As far as future employment is concerned, you're on the right track. Computer science is the way to go. Hope to see you next year in our classroom in a COVID-free environment. For any question, feel free to contact me or any computer science professors. Until then, continue to be safe and healthy. Bye.
Hello, my name is Miriam Espino, and I am a senior at Eastern Connecticut State University. I'm currently the president of Girls Who Code and the vice president for SGA. The computer science department at Eastern is phenomenal, and over the course of 3 years as a transfer student, I've gained the necessary skills to land a full-time internship over the summer at Cigna. The faculty is very supportive at Eastern Connecticut State University as they ensure that all their students succeed, provided the necessary tools for them to land internships, jobs after graduation, etc. The computer science courses at Eastern range from computer architecture to computer networking, which I find really useful because you get to learn different tools to help you whenever you have a job in the future. I founded Girls Who Code College Loops at Eastern to inspire more women in computer science while also making it open to all students. I remember my sophomore year, I wanted to have a more supportive community, especially in the computer science field, so hosting this Girls Who Code on Campus Club was phenomenal since then. We've hosted many events such as having TED Talks with the Hartford, GitHub Essentials workshops, and also an intro to Python. This year, we are collaborating more with different clubs and also collaborating with professors so that our students are able to learn the necessary skills to add to their resumes and also apply for internships and jobs. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jafeta Paricio. I'm a senior here at Eastern Connecticut State University studying computer science and mathematics. One of my favorite things about Eastern is having smaller class sizes. Smaller class sizes allow me to connect better with my peers and my professors. And this allows me to feel more comfortable when it comes to asking questions and not feel so lost when we're learning new material. I was able to join the honors program thanks to a professor encouraging me to apply my freshman year. And I'm greatly grateful to have made this connection, and I'm really excited to start working on my honors thesis on a topic of my choice. This sense of community also helps with getting involved in independent study with a professor. Independent studies can be done on a subject of interest that can align to a professor's area of research. It is also a really great way to get research experience and make your resume stand out. Overall, I'm really happy and grateful for the environment that Eastern Connecticut provides for their students to allow them to be successful within their academic career. Upon graduating in 2021, I will be joining Travelers Insurance full-time as a data engineer.